DaGrootX YouTube channel. So buckle up and let's go for a ride.
Good morning. It is pre-run day, real pre-run. Well, it's truck shakedown day. We pre-ran yesterday in the Yukon, not the Tahoe. I got that wrong a bunch in the last video. But today we're taking out, and obviously I wore the action suit because we're going to be doing some action in the truck. We're going to take it out. We're going to do some runs, some shakedowns, make sure the truck's running good after getting it towed out here and whatnot. And then there's contingency this afternoon, so yeah, it should be a fun day. We'll try and get a bunch of shots of the truck flying around out there so that you guys can see this thing in action and see it a little bit.
That is too adorable.
Action.
Does that thing have a diamond in it?
Blang blang. Let's get this show on the road, boys. We're out here doing some testing, shaking down the truck just a little bit. As you can see, we get the hood off. Found a tiny little oil leak. Shouldn't be a big problem. Just a smidge. Truck did really well. Surprised at how well it drove. I drove it just I don't know, maybe a mile or so, mile or two, just to get a feel for it. Such a fun truck to drive, man. It's really cool. That was actually my first time driving a race truck, so I've been waiting since I was 18 to drive a race truck. I've been co-driving a bunch, but so I'm super stoked about that. We're a couple hours from contingency. Here's the truck. Really sweet stuff. I don't know if you've seen this. Cambered rear end, Titan hubs. It's really cool stuff. Here's the interior. It's set up a lot different than most of the desert race trucks. Just a lot of stuff for the driver, because usually the passenger in rally is looking at course notes on paper, as opposed to in desert racing. A lot of the times you get, your co-drivers looking at a GPS or tablet or something for racing, and then they have all their gauges and stuff a little bit closer to them. Just a little different stuff that, it's different, but it's such a cool truck. A lot of fun to drive, a lot of fun to be in the passenger seat for. So we're looking forward to racing tomorrow. Truck did well today, so we'll get some shots of the truck burning around here a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll try and get some more stuff. So we'll see you tomorrow, unless something cool happens today. Hey, race day. Today is also Dan Spalinger's birthday, so we decided we would decorate in the best possible decorating fashion. So we got some streamers up. I made sure and decorate his truck for him as well. We got the inspirational unicorn horn, and then I went ahead and got birthday girl sash for him, which is important. He hasn't been back to see it all yet, but I'm sure he'll be extremely appreciative. Setting up some GoPro mounts right now. Race doesn't start for a couple hours, so we're getting our pits kind of set up, and as you can see, things are starting to really pop off over here. It's pretty full. So, getting all ready. Happy birthday, bud.
Can I wear that on the podium later on?
Yeah. You gotta get the lights up.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Very nice.
There you go.
Now, am I required to wear this all day?
Yeah.
Hold on, I want a picture.
It's part of the race suit. Part of the race suit.
I think it's fire hazard.
It's definitely fireproof.
No, I think it's a hazard.
No, I made sure that this was the fireproof one.
It's actually cut out of a piece of cloth
It's-
of the...
I actually might. I had to dye it. I spent all night on that.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
So here we are. It's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8:30, about 8:20. The truck came in. I tried to get video. We were scrambling to try and get it fixed. We had, we think that the trans mount had kind of squashed down too far and was causing the shifter to bump out of gear all the time. It's giving some rattles. And then they got kind of stuck when they had stopped to try and figure out what was going on. So they limped it back to the pits. We put some shims in it to try and get it back up to where it needed to be. And yeah, now Anthony's in the truck racing. Haven't got a lap in yet. We started late and then obviously had those problems. So we're seeing what's going on. Right now we're on plan D, C, I don't know. But yeah, we'll see what happens as the night goes on. Well, truck's back. That's not good. Looks like the drive shaft.
Right, out here.
Center bearing.
I'm not even sure that I would even need it for Nora. It's Nora.
The rubber on the drive shaft center carrier bearing is destroyed, so they were just getting such a bad vibration. That's what was causing some of that problems. So that's the end of the race for us. They only got another, I mean, I think we did it all probably 20 something lap or 20 something miles or so, and that's it. Rough time for such a long trip for him, but desert racing, man, it's brutal. Never ceases to amaze me. So that's the end of that. We gotta start packing up.